Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka with Makaz Home. I'm back today with a very quick share. I've been working on some Christmas cards, and I belong to the Die Hard Club from the Stamps of Life, and every month we get some happy mail in the mail, and it comes with some dies and other embellishments and papers, and it's a kit so you could, make some cards. And so I have started watching Lisa Mears card designs here on YouTube, and she also receives the kit a month, and she posts videos and cards that she's made with them. And so this card kit, which I believe was October's, no, actually it was September's card kit. I watched her video. She inspired me to make some cards. I did follow some of the cards that she made, as well as it got my creative juices flowing. So then I started making my own cards that were based off of her card designs. And so I'm just going to share them with you right now. Just do a fast whip through. These are them. And I'm not sure how many I ended up with, but these are one. And some of them I did the exact same. Some of them I did the exact same, and some of them I made a little different. And like here, just the enamel dots are different there. And most of them, I think all of them, I left the inside blank. So that was one, and I think I followed one of the ones that she did in her video to get this. This is another. And all of this stuff that are on these cards were in the kit. These chipboard snowflakes, these enamel dots, these cutouts, of course the stamp and the papers, and even the base of the cards. And it comes with envelopes as well. But that's my next one. And here's another. I like this one, but the joy banner gets lost, I think, in all of the... And she might have used a different background paper than I'm using, but that's just how mine came out. And here's another. This one, I think I made a mistake, and actually this paper is on the back side of this paper, so I ended up putting the adhesive on the wrong side, and I was committed to it. But they are shakers, and this one too. And you can't see, but inside it says just chillin'. On the inside, I stamped it that says just chillin'. So those two. And then these two. I like the simplicity of this, but pretty. The only thing is these thicker stickers were not, did not come with the kit. I just had them in my stash. And so this one I just used plain silver, and this one I used a glittered one. And it's just papers layered. But I like the simplicity of this. And this template you can use for lots of different cards. This layering of the pattern, and then cardstock and colored cardstock, and then pattern. You can do that for numerous different cards, and then build off of it. Then I got this one, and I have some Spectrum Noir markers that I use to color these. This one was from the paper that I punched out, but these I actually stamped and colored. I'm not very good at that, but I'm trying. But and then I believe these snowflake were in the kit as well, but I'm not for certain. But I like this color of the red and blue together. So there's those. And then the next two, and I just did these a little different. You know, the strip is down here, and here I have the strip here. The sentiments down here, sentiment up there, but it still has the two penguins. It has this stitched oval that I die cut out from it was actually this round here. It was the exterior of it, and I just used it on that. So those came out cute. And then I think the last are just random ones that I just, you know, started messing around with to use up the rest of the kit, which I still didn't use it up. I still have a few papers in the 6x6 paper pad it comes with. So, but here's that one. And here's another. And I was just trying to really use up whatever I had out. Here's another. And then this is the last one I did. And my creative juices just ran out. But so that's my little share. Thank you, Lisa Mears. I think that's how you say her last name. Like I said, I'll leave her link in the description box below for the inspiration. And I've actually subscribed to your channel and started watching all of your card kit tutorials, if that's what you call them. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you on my next video. Shakas!